Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial. How do I transfer XRP from Coinbase to Ledger, 2025? If you're holding XRP on Coinbase and want to move it to your Ledger for better security and control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account with XRP in it and a Ledger device set up. If you haven't already, download the Ledger Live app on your computer or phone. It's essential for managing your hardware wallet. Once you're logged in, connect your Ledger device via USB and open the XRP app on it. This ensures your Ledger is ready to receive the transfer. Next, in the Ledger Live app, go to the Accounts section and select your XRP wallet. Here, you'll find your unique XRP wallet address. Copy that down carefully, as it's case-sensitive and crucial for the transfer. Now, hop over to your Coinbase account. Log in. Navigate to your XRP holdings, and look for the Send or Withdraw option. When you select that, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste in the XRP address from your Ledger wallet. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary. Review the details one last time and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Ledger Live and refresh your XRP account to see the funds arrive. And just like that, your XRP is safely transferred. In conclusion, transferring XRP from Coinbase to Ledger in 2025 is a smart move for securing your assets. Always keep an eye on fees and use official apps to stay safe from scams. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.